Who is next? Okay, I've got Maritas and Claire. You both wanted to put your hands up? Yeah, okay. So I'll go Claire first because she's got a mic off, and then we'll go Maritas. Claire.
Oh, okay. Very simply, I saw you did something the other day where you get ChatGPT to help you run like your diary or something because I just find I've got so many things I need to be doing, and unfortunately I tend to go the bright shinies, and now I'm drowning in a sea of unfinished.
Yeah.
So I was just wondering what, short of just writing it in my diary every day, what are you using?
Love it. Okay, this is an awesome question. Now, I have what you saw on me doing on ChatGPT, and I'm just opening up my GPTs in the corner over here, is I have created, and this is in one of the Legends Lab trainings. It's called Map Your Magic 2026. It is on your dashboard if you haven't watched that. But I will just briefly show you which particular bot I'm talking about here. So in the workshop called Map Your Magic 2026, which you all have on your dashboard, I walked through how I do my task management and task prioritization processes and how I keep track of all the crazy stuff that comes out of my brain and how I actually organize this in a way that is aligned to my strategic objectives and is monitored in a way in which nothing gets lost or forgotten. One of the steps of that is step one, obviously, you've got to have your strategic plan and your big goal. And what is it, the main big sort of next 3 to 5 years objectives for you? Step two is then creating a system to filter all of your decision making through and all of your tasks through to make sure you're only working on stuff that takes you there. And I created what's called a task prioritization bot. And I gave everyone the instructions for that in the Map Your Magic workshop. However, I'm just going to open mine up today and give you a quick demo of that because that's step two. Basically, what I do every Monday morning or Sunday night is I will go through my to-do list, which I manage in Techmatics tasks. I literally just copy and paste everything from my task list, dump it into my task prioritization bot, and it reorganizes the priority of the tasks based on what is most important for immediate income, medium term income, and long term income, and checked against my strategic plan. So it basically reorders all the stuff based on where I'm at right now, how much progress I made last week, and where we're supposed to be at in terms of our longer term goals. So we'll just show you that in just a second. Step three to that, of four now, isn't it? Step four is then I go into my task manager in Techmatics and I change all of the due dates based on each week's reprioritization. So with me and my crazy squirrel ADHD brain, all I have to do is I have one of my Techmatics screens open on my screen all day long, and I just keep looking at what is due next. And that is what keeps me focused. And I'll time my timer for 60-minute sessions. And I know I'm only allowed to work on the task that's right at the top of the sheet. So I'll give you the visual. I'm just telling you the overview, first of all, and then I'll show you and explain behind the scenes. But remember, this is all in depth, in detail, inside the Map Your Magic workshop. So inside my GPTs in ChatGPT, I have this thing called my to-do list prioritization bot. I'm actually going to edit and show you the instructions. You do have the instructions for this inside the Map Your Magic workshop, okay? This one has been edited specifically for my particular situation, but you will see that the instructions I've given you are exactly the same. So it just says that you're a to-do list prioritization bot. You're a ruthless prioritization partner that aligns only with to-dos and the strategic goals, prioritizing cash flow and client delivery, identifying tech automation shortcuts, and helping business owners stay focused to reach their goals. Now, obviously, your version would say helping me stay focused on my goals. This is what we went through in the thing. So its instructions are that you are basically here to take chaotic brain dumps of tasks and to-do lists and transform them into prioritized high-impact action plans with a clear checklist of tasks given in the right order for the most effective and efficient execution of a growth plan. Now, if you do the Map Your Magic workshop, I showed you how to create that strategic plan in the first place. So this will just reorder. It's been told how to reorder everything. Tier one, like this is tasks that are going to earn you money very quickly. This should always be what your first jobs are in any day. I will sit down at the beginning every day and go, what will make me money today? Every task I start, is this going to make me money? Yes or no? If it's not, what are you doing it for? This is a business, right? It's not a hobby, it's a business. So I always run my own filter, but also my bot through that first. Does this task make money? That is a priority 1 task. Does it make money soonish? That's a priority 2 task. Is it going to make long-term growth and scalability happen? That's a stage 3 priority task. And then there's stage 4, which is what stuff am I doing every day that could be automated? So that's how this bot is programmed. Right? All of these are in the template that has been provided to you inside that Map Your Magic workshop. So that's just giving me a behind the scenes to show you how you do it. All you've got to do is copy and paste the instructions I've provided to you, paste them in here. And the only other thing you're doing is uploading your actual strategic plan into this knowledge area here. So again, Map Your Magic shows you how to create that strategic plan using AI, but you just upload it here once it's done. And now what it will do is it will process all of the stuff you dump into this based on your unique goals, which is very cool. So now what I do is I'll just open up the demo tasks list here on the toolbox. So let me just show you what I do. FYI, if you haven't got it downloaded and you're using Techmatics, obviously if you're not using Techmatics, maybe you're using another task manager. The same applies, okay? Again, I don't want to make this just about using Techmatics. The Techmatics mobile app, it's called Lead Connector. Oh, that's really bad. It's called Lead Connector. It's this little orange box and it's right in the middle of my phone. So whenever I have a random idea come to my head, someone phones me, question comes up on Facebook Messenger, I never trust my brain to remember anything. My brain does not remember things. So I immediately open my Techmatics mobile app, press the 3 dots at the top, and you have your tasks manager on here. Where is it? I can't even see when I'm working backwards. It's got tasks manager on there. I open up the task manager and I press the big green add a task button and I just type it in. So it never gets forgotten. This becomes my brain dumping location. Again, if I am inside my Techmatics account, which I always have open on the tasks tab in at least one tab, I just make sure that I will, again, oh, damn, I've got to remember to send this person this thing. I've got to remember to call that person next week. I've got to remember to chase this up. I literally will just come in here and go, don't forget to order the flyers for next week's event, right? Just chuck it in there like that. And all I've got to do is make sure I've got the date and time in there. Make sure you assign it to yourself, right? Ooh, assign it to me and press save. So now it's done. It's out my head and it's inside the system. What I will do is I will literally come in, I'll make sure it's set to me and only find my tasks. And I will grab all of them by just highlighting them all, pressing copy, going into my task prioritization bot over here. Where are you? Task prioritization bot. And I just paste them all in. Here are all of my tasks. Please help me focus on the top priority ones this week. And I just dump it in. Now, obviously, these are all completely random tasks because it's a random test dummy account that's got all kinds of made up crap in there. But this is what it will do, is it will now go through those instructions and reprioritize all of those tasks. So if through the week you've written random notes down on your piece of paper, on your Post-it notes, this is what I'll do on that Sunday or Monday, is I'll just make sure if I've written stuff anywhere else, put it in as tasks, because this now allows me to reorder them all. So I don't know how well this is going to work because they're totally random tasks in here, but we'll see what happens. There we go. Doing it like goals, 1 tier tasks. There we go. Give it a second. It's doing the long thinking model. I should have put it on fast model, but there we go. SC is unclear. XYZ task is because it's really confused by my like XYZ task. Do XB. It's going. All right. I think we get the point, but what it's going to do, it's going to list out all of my tasks for me. I'll come back and check it in a second. So what I'll do now is I'll just go through here and it say, this task it was saying was a top priority. So I'm just going to open that task up now and change it to today's date. All right. So that I know that's now the top priority task. And that's all I do, is it takes me probably 20 minutes, 15 minutes on a Sunday, Monday morning to just go through and redo the prioritization dates or the due dates, so that when I come to work on Monday morning, it will literally show me by due date everything that needs to be done. All my crazy brain has to do is literally follow the steps. Which one comes first, then do that one, then do that one, then do that one. When we've done it, we just press check, complete. Task completed. Green dot's my favorite one. So that's how I keep myself organized. Does that help?
Very much. Thank you.
Yeah, good. Love it. All right.